Report on the U.S. Army's AI app Shrike, historical context, current implementation, and future prospects. Introduction. On January 18, 2025, the U.S. Army unveiled the Shrike, a groundbreaking artificial intelligence AI application designed to enhance target identification and fire mission requests. This innovative tool represents a significant leap in military technology, reducing the time to identify targets and request fire support from a traditional 15 minutes to under 1 minute. This report examines the historical context of military AI applications, the current implementation and effectiveness of Shrike, and the potential future implications of such technologies in warfare. Historical context. The integration of AI into military operations is not a new concept, however, its application has evolved dramatically over the years. Historically, the U.S. military has utilized various technological advancements to improve operational efficiency. From the use of early computers for logistics and planning to the development of unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) for reconnaissance, the military has consistently sought to leverage technology to enhance combat effectiveness. In recent years, the focus has shifted towards AI-driven solutions that can process vast amounts of data in real time, providing soldiers with actionable insights on the battlefield. This shift aligns with the broader trend of digital transformation within the Department of Defense (DoD), as military leaders recognize the need to adapt to rapidly changing technological landscapes and emerging threats. Current implementation of Shrike. The development of Shrike was spearheaded by the Army Futures Command, which aimed to create a tool that could be deployed on any fielded drone. The software utilizes a large language model, allowing soldiers to quickly identify enemy targets and automatically generate fire mission requests. During recent training exercises, notably with the 101st Airborne Division, soldiers successfully used Shrike to identify enemy vehicles and execute fire missions with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Demonstrable effectiveness. 1. Speed and efficiency. The most striking feature of Shrike is its ability to reduce the time for target identification and fire request from an average of 15 minutes to under 1 minute. In practice, small teams of soldiers can potentially identify and engage up to 1,000 targets per hour, a feat that dramatically enhances operational tempo and effectiveness. 2. Battle damage assessment. Beyond target identification and fire requests, Shrike also enables immediate battle damage assessments. After a fire mission, the associated drone can quickly scan the area to evaluate the effectiveness of the engagement and identify any remaining threats, allowing for rapid follow-up actions. 3. Integration with existing technologies. Shrike's compatibility with various UAVs and existing military infrastructure illustrates the Army's commitment to modernizing its forces without necessitating a complete overhaul of current systems. For electronic warfare strategies, soldiers have also demonstrated innovative uses of inexpensive drones and circuit boards to create electronic decoys, successfully misdirecting 50% of enemy artillery fire during exercises. This underscores the importance of electronic warfare capabilities in modern military strategy, highlighting the Army's adaptive approach to combat scenarios. Future prospects. The introduction of Shrike and similar AI technologies signifies a transformative moment for the U.S. Army and its approach to warfare. The Army is not only enhancing its immediate operational capabilities but also laying the groundwork for future advancements in military AI. 1. Continued development and integration. The Army is actively exploring further enhancements to Shrike, including improved algorithms for target recognition and integration with other battlefield management systems. As AI technology continues to evolve, the Army will likely incorporate even more sophisticated capabilities into its operations. 2. Generative AI integration. The Army's recent partnership with Ask Sage to deploy a generative AI platform on its cloud computing environment (Army) reflects a broader strategy to enhance data analysis and operational planning. This platform has already demonstrated the ability to significantly increase coding speeds and data processing efficiency, indicating a future where AI plays a central role in all aspects of military operations. 3. Human-machine collaboration. despite the growing reliance on AI, Army leaders emphasize the importance of human oversight. AI technologies like Shrike are seen as tools to augment human decision-making rather than replace it. The collaborative approach ensures that soldiers retain critical thinking and judgment capabilities, which are essential in complex combat environments. 4. Challenges and ethical considerations. As with any technological advancement, the integration of AI raises ethical questions regarding decision-making in lethal scenarios. The Army will need to establish robust frameworks to govern the use of AI in combat, ensuring accountability and adherence to international laws of warfare. Conclusion. The launch of the Shrike AI application is a landmark development in the U.S. Army's modernization efforts, promising to revolutionize target identification and fire support operations. As the Army continues to integrate AI technologies, it is poised to enhance its combat effectiveness and agility in an increasingly complex and technologically driven battlefield. The future of warfare will undoubtedly be shaped by such innovations, underscoring the necessity for military forces to adapt and evolve in response to emerging threats and opportunities. Through continuous improvement and ethical oversight, the Army aims to harness the full potential of AI, ensuring that it remains at the forefront of military innovation. The introduction of the U.S. Army's AI application Shrike marks a significant shift in military operations that challenges traditional beliefs about efficiency and human decision-making in combat contexts. Here are some counterintuitive insights derived from the information provided. 1. Speed over human intuition. Traditionally, military operations have relied heavily on human decision-making, which is often seen as irreplaceable due to the complexities and nuances of combat scenarios. However, Shrike dramatically reduces the time required for target identification and fire requests from 15 minutes to under 1 minute. This raises a counterintuitive notion that in certain scenarios AI can outperform human intuition and experience, potentially leading to faster and more effective military responses. The reliance on algorithms instead of human judgment could lead to a paradigm shift in how military decisions are made. 2. Decentralization of command. The implications of Shrike suggest a decentralization of combat command. With small teams now capable of identifying and attacking up to 1,000 targets per hour using AI-driven tools, it challenges the traditional hierarchical structure of military command. This could lead to the empowerment of lower-ranking soldiers to make critical decisions in real time, which is contrary to the conventional view that higher-ups should always make such decisions. 3. Integration of technology and tactics. The Army's use of inexpensive drones and electronic decoys showcases a counterintuitive approach to electronic warfare. Instead of relying solely on expensive high-tech systems, soldiers are adopting low-cost solutions that are highly effective. This suggests that innovation in military tactics does not always require advanced technology. Sometimes creativity and resourcefulness can yield superior results. For generative AI and human oversight, the Army's integration of generative AI technology emphasizes a partnership between humans and machines. Although there is a common fear that AI might replace human jobs, the Army's experience revealed that technology can enhance human capacity rather than diminish it. For instance, the Chief Information Officer noted that while AI can process vast amounts of data quickly, humans still play a crucial role in identifying errors and refining models. This challenges the narrative that AI will eliminate the need for human oversight and decision-making. 5. Perceived threats from adversaries. The urgency to adopt AI technology stems from perceived threats posed by adversaries like China, which has already integrated AI into their military strategies. This situation highlights a counterintuitive reality. Rather than technological advancement being purely a proactive measure, it is also a reactive one, driven by the need to counterbalance the capabilities of potential enemies. The Army's push for AI integration reflects a defensive posture that recognizes the rapid pace of technological development among adversaries. 6. Transforming training and engagement. The training exercises involving Shrike and electronic warfare tactics suggest that the nature of military training is changing. Rather than focusing solely on conventional strategies, soldiers are now engaging in cat-and-mouse games with enemy technology, which requires a more adaptive and innovative mindset. This represents a shift from static training to dynamic technology-driven scenarios, which may seem counterintuitive to traditional military training methodologies that prioritize established tactics over adaptability. 7. Resource allocation and efficiency. The Army's integration of generative AI technology has resulted in coding speeds increasing by 35 times and task completion rates improving significantly. This efficiency challenges the assumption that military operations are inherently resource-heavy and slow. The ability to streamline processes through AI not only enhances operational effectiveness but also suggests that military organizations can become more agile and responsive, countering the stereotype of bureaucratic sluggishness. 8. AI's role in combat damage assessment. The capability of Shrike to conduct battle damage assessments immediately after a strike introduces a counterintuitive twist to the conventional understanding of post-combat analysis. Instead of waiting for human analysts to review and report on damage assessments, AI can provide real-time feedback, potentially redefining the timeline and process of military assessments and follow-up actions. In conclusion, the emergence of the Shrike application and the Army's broader integration of AI technologies is reshaping expectations around military operations, command structures, and the interplay between human and machine capabilities. These developments present a complex landscape where traditional roles and methodologies are being challenged, suggesting a future where agility, speed, and technological integration become paramount in military strategy. The development and deployment of the U.S. Army's new AI application Shrike, along with the integration of generative AI technology, represents significant advancements in military operations that many might overlook. Here are several important content areas in the report that deserve greater emphasis. 1. Time efficiency and operational impact. The report highlights that Shrike reduces the time taken to identify targets and request fire support from 15 minutes to under 1 minute. This dramatic reduction in response time is not merely a logistical improvement, it fundamentally alters the dynamics of battlefield operations. In fast-paced combat scenarios, the ability to act swiftly can mean the difference between life and death, as well as the success or failure of missions. The significance lies in how such speed enables small teams to engage in complex operations that were previously only feasible for larger units. This efficiency allows for a higher operational tempo and can overwhelm adversaries who cannot respond as quickly. 2. Integration of AI with existing technology. Shrike is designed to work with any already deployed drone, showcasing a critical aspect of modern military strategy, leveraging existing technology to enhance capabilities. This approach minimizes the need for entirely new systems, making it a cost-effective solution. The ability to create a battle-ready application that can be deployed on current platforms signifies a shift towards more versatile and adaptable military strategies, which are increasingly necessary in contemporary warfare where the battlefield is continuously evolving. 3. Electronic warfare innovations. The report mentions the use of inexpensive drones modified to serve as electronic decoys, successfully misleading enemy fire. This innovative tactic represents a paradigm shift in electronic warfare where smaller units can employ technology in clever and resourceful ways. The significance of this lies in the potential to level the playing field against technologically superior foes. It emphasizes the creativity and adaptability of soldiers who can exploit low-cost technologies to disrupt enemy operations effectively. This kind of asymmetric warfare can be especially impactful in future conflicts where resources may be limited. 4. Generative AI and its implications. The Army's early adoption of a generative AI platform Ask Sage sets a precedent within the U.S. military, marking it as the first branch to implement such technology enterprise-wide. This integration goes beyond mere operational efficiency. It showcases a strategic shift towards harnessing AI not just for direct combat applications but also for back-end processes like coding and data analysis. The ability for developers to code 3-5 times faster and for acquisition experts to complete tasks more efficiently indicates a future where military operations are supported by robust AI-enhanced decision-making processes. This could lead to a significant competitive edge over adversaries who may not have similar capabilities. 5. Human-AI collaboration. The report emphasizes that while AI technologies like Shrike and Ask Sage enhance operational capabilities, they do not replace human decision-making. The acknowledgement that humans are still crucial in identifying errors in AI outputs highlights an important point. The future of military operations will likely revolve around a collaborative model where human intuition and AI efficiency work hand in hand. This relationship can lead to more effective outcomes as humans can provide the contextual understanding that AI may lack, particularly in complex and unpredictable combat environments. 6. Adapting to adversarial tactics. The report illustrates how U.S. soldiers adapt their tactics in response to enemy technologies such as using decoys to mislead enemy drones. This ongoing game of cat and mouse is significant because it underscores the importance of agility and innovation in modern warfare. As adversaries adopt new technologies, the ability of a military force to respond creatively is vital. The report suggests that the Army's focus on innovation through inexpensive, readily available technology may serve as a model for future military engagements where resourcefulness is essential. 7. Long-term modernization goals. The Army's initiatives, including the deployment of Shrike and the generative AI platform, are part of a broader modernization effort aimed at injecting 5 years' worth of technological advancements into combat brigades. The significance of this long-term vision cannot be overstated, as it indicates a proactive approach to preparing for future conflicts. By prioritizing modernization, the Army aims to stay ahead of potential adversaries who are also investing in advanced military technologies. This strategic foresight is crucial in maintaining superiority on the battlefield. 8. Cultural shift within the military. The integration of advanced technologies and the emphasis on rapid experimentation and deployment reflect a cultural shift within the Army towards embracing innovation. This change represents not only a modernization of tools but also a transformation in mindset, which values agility, adaptability, and technological literacy among soldiers. As the military moves towards more innovative practices, the workforce's ability to leverage technology effectively will be critical to mission success. In conclusion, the significance of the Shrike AI application and the Army's generative AI platform extends far beyond their immediate technical capabilities. They represent a fundamental shift in how the Army approaches warfare, emphasizing speed, adaptability, and the integration of advanced technologies into both frontline operations and logistical support. This evolution is poised to redefine military effectiveness in the face of rapidly changing combat environments and adversarial tactics. Recognizing these deeper implications is crucial for understanding the future landscape of military operations. 1. Efficiency and speed of target identification. The introduction of the Shrike AI application has drastically reduced the time required for target identification and fire request from 15 minutes to under 1 minute. This efficiency enables small Army teams to potentially identify and strike up to 1,000 targets per hour. This significant time reduction not only enhances operational tempo but also increases the effectiveness of military engagements, allowing for quicker responses to threats and more dynamic battlefield strategies. 2. Integration of advanced AI technologies. The U.S. Army's adoption of generative AI technology through the Ask Sage platform represents a groundbreaking shift in military operations. This integration allows Army personnel to code 3-5 times faster and complete 50 tasks in the time it previously took to finish one. Such improvements in efficiency in data analysis and programming are crucial for maintaining technological superiority over adversaries, particularly in a rapidly evolving global landscape where opponents like China are also leveraging advanced AI. 3. Innovative electronic warfare strategies. The Army's use of inexpensive drones and circuit boards to create electronic decoys exemplifies a new approach to electronic warfare. By mimicking electronic signatures, soldiers have successfully misled enemy artillery, causing them to expend resources on false targets. This tactic highlights the importance of innovation in military strategy and the necessity for adaptive tactics in the face of modern threats. The ongoing cat-and-mouse dynamic encourages continuous development and refinement of tactics, which is vital for operational success. For human-AI collaboration, despite the increased reliance on AI technologies, Army officials emphasize that human oversight remains critical. The integration of AI is viewed as a means to enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. The insights from personnel, particularly in recognizing errors made by AI, demonstrate the value of human judgment in military operations. This relationship between technology and human expertise is crucial for ensuring effective decision-making and maintaining operational integrity in complex environments. 1. The development and utilization of the Tomahawk cruise missile. The Tomahawk cruise missile, developed by General Dynamics in the 1970s, revolutionized naval warfare by allowing the U.S. Navy to strike targets at great distances with precision. Prior to its deployment, naval engagements typically involved close-range combat or bombarding coastal targets from ships. The Tomahawk's ability to be launched from submarines and surface ships, combined with its guidance system, drastically reduced the time and risk involved in targeting enemy installations. This technological advancement significantly changed U.S. military strategy, enabling preemptive strikes and altering the dynamics of naval power. 2. The Manhattan Project and the atomic bomb. During World War II, the U.S. initiated the Manhattan Project, a secret endeavor that led to the development of the atomic bomb. The project brought together some of the brightest scientific minds to harness nuclear fission for military purposes. The successful testing of the bomb in 1945 marked a turning point in warfare, introducing a new era of military capability that emphasized rapid, high-stakes decision-making and the ethical implications of using such destructive power. The atomic bomb not only impacted the conclusion of World War II but also shaped post-war military strategies and international relations. 3. The introduction of drones in modern warfare. The use of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs or drones, has transformed warfare over the past 2 decades. Their development began in earnest in the 1990s but gained prominence in the early 2000s with the conflicts in Afghanistan and Iraq. Drones provide real-time surveillance and precision strike capabilities, allowing for rapid targeting and minimizing risks to personnel. The integration of drones into military operations has changed how conflicts are conducted, emphasizing the importance of technology and intelligence gathering and combat effectiveness. Similar to the advancements seen with the Shrike AI application in the U.S. Army today, the introduction of the U.S. Army's AI application Shrike represents a significant leap in military technology, particularly in the realms of target identification and fire mission efficiency. As we look ahead to the future, several predictions can be made regarding the impact and evolution of such technologies within the Army and the broader military landscape. Enhanced operational efficiency. The Shrike application reduces the time for target identification and fire mission requests from 15 minutes to under 1 minute. This efficiency not only increases the responsiveness of small Army teams on the battlefield but also allows them to identify and engage up to 1,000 targets per hour. In the future, we can expect further improvements in AI algorithms and machine learning models, leading to even faster decision-making processes. The continuous integration of generative AI into military operations will likely result in a more agile and responsive military force capable of adapting to dynamic combat environments. Integration with autonomous systems. As AI applications like Shrike evolve, they are expected to integrate seamlessly with autonomous systems, including unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and robotic ground units. The future Army battlefield may feature a network of AI-driven drones performing reconnaissance, target identification, and even executing fire missions autonomously under human oversight. This integration will not only enhance battlefield efficiency but also reduce the risk to human soldiers by minimizing their exposure in high-risk situations. Evolution of warfare tactics. The increased reliance on AI and autonomous systems will inevitably lead to a transformation in military tactics. As soldiers utilize advanced technologies like Shrike and electronic decoys, we may see the emergence of new strategies focused on deception and electronic warfare. Future conflicts might involve sophisticated cat-and-mouse games where both sides employ AI to outsmart each other, necessitating constant innovations in tactics and technology. The ability to quickly adapt and respond to enemy actions will become a critical component of military success. Data-driven decision-making. With the Army's integration of generative AI platforms, the future of military operations will likely be characterized by data-driven decision-making. AI will assist military leaders in analyzing vast amounts of data from various sources, leading to more informed strategic decisions. This capability will not only expedite operational planning but will also provide predictive insights into enemy movements and potential battlefield scenarios. Cybersecurity and counter-AI measures. As the use of AI in military applications increases, so too will the need for robust cybersecurity measures. Future military operations will need to prioritize the protection of AI systems from cyber threats. Adversaries may employ counter-AI technologies to disrupt the effectiveness of applications like Shrike. Therefore, investing in cybersecurity measures and developing countermeasures to enemy AI tactics will be crucial for maintaining operational superiority. Ethical considerations and human oversight. The advancement of AI technologies in the military raises significant ethical considerations, particularly regarding autonomous weapon systems. As the Army continues to adopt AI like Shrike, there will be ongoing debates about the role of human oversight in lethal decision-making. Future military policies will likely emphasize the importance of keeping humans in the loop, ensuring that ethical considerations are taken into account while leveraging AI capabilities. Global military competition. The U.S. Army's adoption of advanced AI technologies will influence global military dynamics. As other countries observe the success of applications like Shrike, they will likely accelerate their own investments in AI and autonomous military technologies. This competition may lead to an arms race in AI-enhanced warfare capabilities, challenging the U.S. to maintain its technological edge. Conclusion. In summary, the future outlook for the U.S. Army's AI application Shrike and similar technologies is promising and transformative. As these innovations evolve, they will reshape military operations, enhance efficiency, and introduce new tactics on the battlefield. However, the Army must also address the ethical cybersecurity and strategic implications of these advancements to ensure that the integration of AI into military operations is both effective and responsible. The next decade will be pivotal in determining how these technologies will define the future of warfare and military strategy.